Before packing that suitcase for the next flight, there's something important many travelers still overlook. Airport security rules are getting stricter in 2026, and items that once seemed harmless are now being confiscated more often than ever. From everyday gadgets to personal care products, even small mistakes can lead to delays or losing valuable belongings. Stay till the end to avoid costly surprises, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more smart travel tips that make every journey smoother. Number 10. Oversized power banks. Power banks have become a travel essential, but not all of them are allowed on flights anymore. In 2026, stricter regulations are being enforced on lithium battery capacity. Any power bank exceeding airline limits, typically around 100 watt-hours, is likely to be confiscated immediately at security checkpoints. Many travelers carry high-capacity power banks without checking the specifications, leading to unnecessary losses. What makes this worse is that these items are not allowed in checked luggage, either due to fire hazards. Security officers are paying closer attention now, especially with the rising number of battery-related incidents. Even popular high-capacity models marketed for long travel days can be flagged. To stay safe, always check the watt-hour rating printed on the device and ensure it falls within airline-approved limits before packing. Number 9. Liquid products over the limit. This rule has existed for years, but in 2026, enforcement has become much stricter. Liquids, gels, and creams must still follow the 100 milliliter rule for carry-on bags, but now even slightly exceeding this limit can result in immediate confiscation without exceptions. Travelers often assume partially used bottles are acceptable, but the actual container size is what matters, not how much liquid remains inside. Items like shampoo, lotion, perfume, and even toothpaste are being checked more carefully than before. Security scanners have improved, making it easier for officers to detect violations instantly. Many airports no longer allow manual discretion, meaning once flagged, the item is gone. Using travel-sized containers and properly sealing them in a transparent bag is now more important than ever to avoid losing essential items. Number 8. Sharp objects in disguise. Items that don't look dangerous at first glance are now under strict scrutiny. Everyday objects like nail clippers with built-in files, multi-tools, and even certain types of scissors are being confiscated more frequently in 2026. Security authorities are focusing on anything that could potentially be used as a sharp object, even if it's part of a grooming kit. Many travelers unknowingly carry these items in their carry-on bags, assuming they are harmless. Modern scanning technology can detect even small metal edges, making it nearly impossible to pass unnoticed. Once detected, there is rarely any option to keep the item. Packing such items in checked luggage is the safest approach. Being cautious about hidden sharp components can prevent unnecessary trouble at the airport. Number 7. Certain food items. Food might seem like the least suspicious thing to carry, but in 2026, some food items are being confiscated more often than expected. Items like peanut butter, yogurt, soft cheese, and sauces fall under liquid or gel categories and must follow the same strict rules. Additionally, international travel brings another layer of restrictions. Fresh fruits, meat products, and homemade food can be seized due to agricultural regulations. Security checks are now more advanced, allowing officers to identify restricted food items quickly. Many travelers face confusion here because these items feel completely normal to carry. However, regulations prioritize safety and contamination prevention over convenience. Packing solid, dry snacks and checking destination-specific food rules before traveling can help avoid losing items at security checkpoints. Number 6. Self-defense items. Personal safety is important, but many self-defense tools are not allowed through airport security in 2026. Items like pepper spray, stun guns, and even certain keychain defense tools are strictly prohibited in carry-on luggage. Security agencies consider these items as potential threats, regardless of their intended use. Even small pocket-sized versions are being detected and confiscated immediately. What surprises many travelers is that some of these items are also restricted in checked baggage, depending on airline policies and destination laws. Regulations have become more aligned globally, reducing flexibility. Carrying such items without checking the rules can lead to delays or even questioning by security personnel. Understanding what is permitted beforehand is essential to ensure a smooth and stress-free airport experience. Number 5. E-cigarettes and vape devices. In 2026, e-cigarettes and vape devices are facing tighter restrictions than ever before. While many airlines still allow them in carry-on luggage, improper storage or carrying them in checked bags can lead to immediate confiscation. The reason behind this is the lithium battery inside these devices, which poses a fire risk if not handled correctly. Security officers are now trained to identify vape devices quickly, even compact or disguised versions. Additionally, carrying multiple devices or large quantities of vape liquid can raise suspicion and lead to further inspection. Another major issue is that different countries have completely banned vaping products. This means even if the item passes departure security, it can still be confiscated upon arrival. Understanding both airline rules and destination laws is now crucial to avoid losing these devices during travel. Number 4. Lighters and matches. A simple lighter might seem harmless, but in 2026, rules around carrying them have become much stricter. While one small lighter is sometimes allowed in carry-on luggage, many types such as torch lighters or windproof lighters are completely banned. Security systems are now more sensitive, and even slight variations in lighter design can result in confiscation. Travelers often carry multiple lighters without realizing that this immediately violates security policies. Matches are also under scrutiny. Certain types, especially strike-anywhere matches, are not permitted at all. Even if allowed, they must be carried under strict conditions. What makes this tricky is that rules can vary between airlines and countries, making it easy to unknowingly break them. Being cautious with such small items can save time and prevent unnecessary hassle at security checks. Number 3. Smart bags with non-removable batteries. Smart luggage has become increasingly popular, but in 2026, it has also become a major target for airport security. Bags with built-in charging ports and batteries are only allowed if the battery can be removed. If the battery is fixed and cannot be taken out, the entire bag may be confiscated or denied boarding. This rule is strictly enforced due to safety concerns related to lithium batteries in cargo holds. Many travelers invest in expensive smart bags without checking this detail, only to face problems at the airport. Security officers are now specifically trained to identify these types of luggage quickly. To avoid issues, always ensure that any smart bag being used has a removable battery and that it is carried according to airline guidelines. Number 2. Duty-free liquids. During transit, buying liquids from duty-free shops used to feel completely safe, but in 2026, transit rules have become stricter. If a flight includes a layover in another country, duty-free liquids purchased earlier may still be confiscated during the next security screening. Even sealed bags are not always accepted unless they meet very specific international security standards. This creates confusion for many travelers who believe duty-free purchases are always protected. Security systems in transit airports are now more standardized and less flexible. If the item does not meet the required conditions, it will not pass through. This makes it important to understand transit rules before purchasing liquids, especially for long international journeys involving multiple stops. Number 1. Everyday electronics without proper screening. Electronics are a must-have while traveling, but in 2026, security checks for these items have become far more detailed. Laptops, tablets, cameras, and even gaming devices are now subject to stricter screening procedures. If a device cannot be powered on when requested, it may be confiscated immediately. Security officers treat non-functional electronics as potential risks, especially with the advancement of concealment techniques. Another common issue is carrying too many electronic devices, which can trigger additional inspections and delays. Items packed incorrectly or hidden deep inside bags can also raise suspicion. Ensuring all electronics are easily accessible, fully functional, and properly charged has now become essential for a smooth airport experience. Traveling in 2026 is not just about packing essentials, it is about packing smart. Many common items that once passed through security without any issues are now being flagged and confiscated due to stricter global regulations. A simple mistake can lead to losing valuable belongings, wasting time, or even missing a flight. Staying informed and preparing ahead can make all the difference between a stressful airport experience and a smooth journey. If this video helped in avoiding these costly mistakes, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more powerful travel tips that keep every trip safe, easy, and stress-free.